Anne of Green Gables or Newsies?
Oh my goodness.
Pick one.
Newsies.
Oh, you stinker.
Really? Last time I picked Anne of Green Gables. And
I
you
know.
said stinker.
Hi. We're gonna make homemade poms.
Yes.
So we've
In our other
done,
video, we use the pom-pom makers. So we'll kind
if
of...
you don't have this, we're gonna show you how to make them without these.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Get out.
Get out.
So these are what we made with our pom-pom makers. Now we're gonna use some DVDs to make some here.
Anne of Green Gables, FTW.
FTW.
For the win. So you're gonna take your yarn, and you're just gonna wrap around the shorter side of your DVD, like Abby is doing. And I mean, you can really just wrap as long as you want.
Working.
All right, now, once you feel like you've got an adequate amount, I'd give you a number, but I actually don't know how many times I've wrapped it. I'll just say wrap it pretty thickly, because you're gonna want your pom-pom to be nice and squishy. And then cut a string like that. And then you're gonna take, I mean, it doesn't have to be any certain length, just long enough for you to be able to do some work. So you're gonna stick this string under here, right in the middle, under all of that.
All of it.
All of it.
And I do like one knot, and it's not gonna be very tight, and I I wrap it again and do it
Yes.
like 2 or 3 times.
So
I don't know if you
do
that
one
too.
knot. Yeah, no, I usually do, because it doesn't usually get it right away.
No, it doesn't. It's too
So then
hard.
do it again. And then see how she pulled it off? You're gonna do that. You're gonna pull it off. Did you wrap it around the back?
Yeah, so I'm around the whole thing now.
Okay, good.
Ooh, that's how you do it too, huh?
Yep.
See, same Z's.
So then you take those 2 strings. That's why you make them kind of long, so you can tell.
I don't think I made mine long enough.
Oh no.
They're kidding.
So then you kind of take the part where you already tied it, lay that on the table, and then bring the string around to the back, and then you're just gonna tie it again to make it nice and tight.
And then I tied mine around, and I'm gonna flip it around and do it again, but you have to find that center band that you tied. So I have a knot here around the whole thing. And I'm gonna wrap around again and tie. I did not make mine string long enough. That's a error. I could grab another one actually to hold on to. I might do that.
Yeah. And then you wanna, the only thing is you wanna make sure you stick your finger in there and find your way back through the part where the DVD went through. So you tied it, and now you're gonna snip this right here, and that's gonna, oh, I think I found it. Look at that. So you wanna get your finger through the hole. I'm trying to decide if this piece belongs, oh, it does, look at that, okay.
Yep, so under all of the loops.
Under all of the loops.
And then don't cut your finger, okay?
Yeah, don't cut your finger. So you're gonna hold it nice and tight.
We're gonna put a disclaimer on there, not liable for cut fingers.
Yeah, no, not even close. So then you're just gonna snip all the way across. Do you need my, oh, that one's working now.
Yeah, I think it works when you can stick it down here, but I had to snip up at the top on that.
So you do it on that side. Yeah, that's what you did. And then you're gonna do it again on the other side. Find your hole, make sure you go through all the loops. It's a little stinker if you don't. You might find one where you're like, oop, I missed that one, and then you just cut it, so it's not a big deal.
Danielle's being more careful, I'm being a little haphazard. I'm like,
Abby's on a roll.
so this
See,
is
look at
not
hers.
what it looks like when you make it from on the pom-pom maker. Like this is pretty much what it looks like when it comes out of the pom-pom maker.
Yes.
This, you could, I mean, this is cute if
That
you
is
wanted to
cute.
do a little decoration, but it is not
That's
shaved.
not. It's not shaved. So yeah. Oh, here, wait. I have one really long one. I'm like trying to figure out if it, see, this loop probably was supposed to go over here or over there. Shh,
It's all good.
it's not there. So yes, this is all nicely done, and this is why we like the pom-pom makers, because of the fact that there's low waste,
Yep.
as Abby mentioned in that video. So
You're
this
gonna
one,
see the disaster. How do you go about trimming? Like you talk about the shaving part. 'Cause I
yeah,
haven't
you
done
can
it in
kind
so
of
long.
just hold it right in the middle like you are, and then just kind of, I mean, you want to make sure you have your strings,
Right.
your tying strings, and then just kind of, oh my gosh, I don't know, I haven't done this in forever. But you just kind of start shaping, honestly.
It'd be so much
Kind of
fun.
looks murderous, but
It'd be funny if I did this whole video and it was like, oh, just kidding.
I know,
It
I'm
didn't
kind
work.
of like, is this going to work?
It didn't work. We fail at life.
How not to make a pom-pom
I
at
feel like
home.
the punch needle video all over again. Even though I have the scissors that refuses to cut.
Oh, do you want these ones?
No, you're on it. I'll steal that when you're done.
So yeah, you're just gonna shape. And that's kind of what we're doing.
So much cutting. And I kind of pull it over that I see where there's lots sticking up, and then I
Yeah.
trim too.
Oh. Did you see that? Like, wee! Stuff goes flying everywhere.
I just feel spoiled with the pom-pom maker.
I know, it's so true. And when you keep turning it as you go, you kind of get to see the feel for your palm, what needs more shaving, what doesn't. Oh, and see, look I found a loop that didn't get cut. Just cut it. Oh, look, another one.
Woohoo. It's funny, those like first ones, I get pinched down, I think.
Yeah. And you know what you could do with all these, instead of like just throwing them in the trash, you can use them for like stuffing in stuff.
Stuff and stuff.
Stuffing in stuff. They make good fillers. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I feel like I just didn't tie mine as tight.
So it doesn't, then it doesn't pinch, like puff out.
Yeah. But even so, I mean, even if you don't have it as tight as this, these are even really fun too. Because it's more of a loose, floppy look that's kind of fun, that I actually like.
Yeah, yours
And
looks
I-
really cute.
I used to
I'm
do
gonna
this a lot.
wait for your scissors because I can't cut anymore with this one.
Okay, here, I'll trade you.
Giant piles. Okay, let's move these.
It's giant piles of,
Like, where can you see it?
Yeah,
back a
where's
little
the back?
bit.
There you go.
Can I steal this?
yes.
Oh, glorious.
So then it just kind of looks like that. And they're super fun. You can stick them on a hat. Or whatever. Here, I'm going to steal these. Just get... You're right. Just kidding. Those don't work for fine tuning.
Oh my gosh, looks like I'm throwing confetti at a party. I know.
Hey, confetti.
Confetti!
I mean, it's not like a little tissue paper that dissolves. You're going to have to vacuum this up, but...
I wonder if you did it outside, like what yarn is the most biodegradable?
Ooh.
If you had something that was
That's a
more
good
natural.
question.
Because this is plastic, basically.
Yeah.
You don't want this business in the woods, but
No. So there you go.
There
It's
you
your
go.
palm. Homemade palms.
I have to
And I use them. I made so many homemade palms, and I used them for decoration in my house for my kids' rooms. I'll take a picture of my little girl's room because it's so cute. I had made a little garland that goes along their wall. And it's kind of my favorite.
I have one in my living room.
You do have one in your living room. Escapes out of these.
Okay, I think I trimmed it enough. I'm gonna stop. She can't stop. I like
So
yours
she
like
made
that.
hers-
Mine did not want to do that.
No. So she made hers more tight, which looks just as lovely. So that's like a super cute little bunny butt right there. Bunny tail.
Little bunny.
Little bunny tail. And then this one's just for,
Let's show them up close.
yeah,
Yeah,
can you
that's
tell?
so
Because my
cute.
strands are a little bit longer than hers.
Yep. These are just
A
tighter
little bit
together.
floppy, and this one's more stiff and tighter together.
Yep.
So there's so many different ways you can do it. And you can even make it like how we started out. You could just trim it just a little bit and have them even more floppy if you wanted.
So cute.
Whatever you want to do.
They could be like little microphones.
This is an On the Morning Report.
With Channel 11 News, this is Erin Hannon. Make a bigger pause. Channel 11 News.
From the office.
Or they could be like little, you could put stems on them and put them in a vase, and they could be like little poof
Oh,
flowers.
poof flowers, yeah. So
So
get like little
cute.
sticks or something.
Yes. Or they could be like little play antennas for aliens. Little alien. Or they could be butterflies, little butterfly antennas.
Oh yeah, butterfly antennas.
So cute.
You literally can do anything with the pom-pom. You could even tie it onto a longer string and have your kids be little bunnies and have bunny tails.
Seriously. They make really cute decorations on like purses and that kind of thing.
Yeah, and all you gotta do is just, if you want them a little bit floofier, you just kind of shake them and they get a little floofier.
Shake them up.
Shake it, shake
Awesome.
it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Yeah. Now go make some poms. And if you follow us on Instagram or at all, she's at the Firefly Hook, and I am at Ellie.inspired. Tag us if you make some.
Do it.
Be so fun. Bye. We have, wait, no. Think of it. What is it? Hold on a second. And that is How to Make a Poem with Ellie and Abbey.